Now, students, we will look at an important aspect in logistics and overall supply chain as well. That is logistics networks model. In fact, we will go in depth and what type of network planning techniques can, at the advanced level, we will be looking at those type of techniques as well. But let us refresh the concept of logistics network models with us. Logistic network modeling tools are actually an attempt to include as much as of a detail as possible, but still address the logistical system design problem in an integrated manner. So what will happen? We will have a network model with us. That network model will represent our different locations, destinations, which might include our warehouses, which might include our manufacturing facilities, which might include our distribution centers, or our after-sales service centers, or in some cases, the terminals at the seaport as well. So what will happen? That model will include much of a detail when we are actually in a process of making a logistic network model. That would be an abstract depiction of your whole network or a part of it, which is actually creating a problem or where you want to improve yourself. So what will happen in logistic network model? We will include much of a detail. That detail will actually address the whole logistical system design problem. So it might be a part of your whole logistical system, or it might be the whole logistical system itself. But whatever it is, your logistic network model will include almost all the significant detail about it, all the significant information or data about it. And it would be done in an integrated manner. जब आप कहते हैं कि integrated manner में है, तो what does it mean? That logistical network model will not only provide the solution, but that solution would be applicable for the whole logistical system. So it can integrate with the whole logistical system in case if that logistical network model is representing just a part of that logistical system. So what happens if I have found a problem or I want to improve my warehousing management system? Now, in that warehousing management system, or I linked it with the customer service. Now, what happens at my retail stores, at my warehousing and the customer service, if I provide a logistical network model for it, and that network model actually provides the solution to it, and this is not, or this actually hurts, or this actually degrades the whole logistical network, then what will happen? It would not work. So no network model would be in isolation. The network model would always work when it is in the integrated manner. When you say in the integrated manner, the solution will actually help the whole logistical system to progress rather than making a problem for the whole logistical system. What we need for a logistical network model, or what we are looking at in a logistical network models, it could be the number of warehouses, their location, ownership, whether it could be a private or a public, but we are using it frequently, so that is why it is a part of our network. And their size as well. Okay. How much capacity do they have for you? The allocation of customer demand to support to supply points, that is your warehouses or plant, and they can actually allocate some demand of your customer, or allocation to single to multiple supply points. So it could be one to many, or one to one, or many to one. Any situation is possible in terms of allocating your customer demand to the supply points. Then we have the amount of inventory to be maintained at various locations. What would be your inventory position at different points in your network? The type of transportation service to be used. What type of transportation service you want to use? Whether it is just intramodal, whether it is just or it is like intermodal. The level of customer service to be provided and how much level of customer service you need to provide to it. So a logistical network model, if it is being made, it can be used in any of these points, or it can incorporate all of these points. So if your logistical system is actually dependent upon these points, which normally is the case. What will happen, and your logistical network is like providing the holistic picture of your logistical system, then it will provide a solution for it in an integrated manner. What does it mean? आपका warehouse, आपकी retail outlets, your inventory position, they will all work in orchestration. They will work in a synchronized manner. Aligned होंगे, ये नहीं हो सकता. This would not be possible that your inventory position is low. You don't have inventory with you, or you do not have significant amount of inventory with you, and your customer service is actually going higher. That is not possible. So if you are serving your customer demand and customer satisfaction is based on the level of inventory which you are providing, that would be synchronized with it. So any logistical network model would address each and every issue in that logistical system. Thank you.